Vikas, I've heard about something called an NFO. What is it?
NFO stands for New Fund Offer. It's when a mutual fund house launches a new scheme for the first time to the public.
So how do I know if it's worth it for me?
That depends on your needs. Some investors look at NFOs to access a new investment theme or strategy. The key is to review the scheme's objective, understand the investment approach, and check if it aligns with your financial goals, risk profile, and time horizon.
Got it. So the decision depends on my own situation.
Exactly. Careful evaluation is more important before deciding on any investment, whether new or existing. An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.